Cooler weather and rain on the horizon makes gardeners so excited. And even though it's winter time and we're used to seeing all the green and red for the festivities, doesn't mean that you can't have lots of color in your garden. Right now, it's a great time to plant cool season annual bedding plants. By cool season, we mean that they grow best during the cooler temperatures, so from fall all the way into spring. Now, some of those types of plants that we like to plant for cool season annual bedding plants are dianthus. There are several different cultivars. Amazon and Jolt are two of our Louisiana super plants. We also have beautiful little violas and our pansies. Don't forget petunias. Look at these gorgeous snapdragons, just that beautiful color of yellow and pink. Then we have Delphinium Diamonds Blue, which is also a Louisiana super plant. This one is a perennial, that beautiful blue color. And then we have very fragrant stock. Now, all of these do really well in the cool season. Put them in the sun for the most blooms, and if you'd like to fertilize at planting, you can do that with a slow release fertilizer. Mulch around the area and let them just grow and be beautiful during this winter season into the springtime. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.